I'm Chef Dede from Rate My Plate on Mzansi Magic. Today for my Hearty Harvest Time tip, we'll be cooking East African fried rice.
All right guys, so this is what you're gonna need. Harvest Time mixed frozen vegetables. You're gonna need some rice, you're gonna need some chopped thyme, you're gonna need some oil, chopped garlic, salt and pepper. Just make sure that your pan is really hot. Grab some oil, make sure that that oil is nice and coats the pan evenly. Dump the garlic, thyme. As soon as the flavor and the smell comes out, then you know it's time to do the rice. Stir it in a little bit. And now, the hero of the dish, the Harvest Time frozen veggies. They're part cooked, so you don't have to struggle with cooking them. They always come out beautiful. Make sure that you don't burn it. You're looking for the rice to start browning. That's why you're constantly stirring it. A little bit of salt, black pepper. Just gonna plate it now. There you go, your East African fried rice with Harvest Time. It's your turn to cook.